No more excuses, okay? No more excuses, no more complaints, because as a lot of YouTubers complain that they do not have this, they do not have that. They're going to to start their video. They do not have a good microphone. They don't have lighting. They don't have a good phone. They don't have stand. There's a lot of I don't have. But for today's video, I'm going to be solving that your audio challenge, okay? That challenge you've been having without microphone. You cannot really make a video. Some people will say their background is too noisy. They make videos from their offices and marketplaces and a lot of that without having microphones that they cannot actually make a video. That's why they don't be posting. I'm going to solve that issue today, okay? Those complaints are gone because this video is going to open your eyes and how you can actually create videos and change your video sound from this to this. Are you seeing it? Without investing in any microphone, okay? You don't need to invest in any microphone, whether expensive or not expensive. You don't need to buy any of them. You can just create your videos and change the sound to a professional podcast sound, okay? Where I hear the difference in this video. So I'm going to be teaching you how to do this. As you can see, I do not have any microphones on, okay? It's just me. So you do not have any microphones on, okay? But I'm sounding very professional. And I want to teach you how to do that in this video, okay? So if this is the kind of video you want to watch, you want to enhance your video's audio, so the professional sound that you are hearing from this video, then please feel free to watch this video, subscribe to my channel, click on this bell icon and hit subscribe button, so that when I post any videos, you'll be able to get notified first. And lastly, like this video, drop your comments, your contributions, your questions, and share this video to your friends and families. Thank you for watching. So that being said, my name is Joy Bowie. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this channel, I create videos about tips and strategies on how to grow your YouTube channel from 0 level till monetization level. So you can go through my channel and see a lot of videos that I've created. I've successfully arranged a lot of tips in my videos that can actually grow your channel for you. So please feel free to go through it, like I said before. Without wasting much time, let's just dive right into this video where you can sound professional without investing in any microphone. I think that is good news. You should be smiling when you're seeing this video because this is really exciting, okay? So guys, let's just dive into my phone recording starting right now. So this is my video, right? I'm inside my CapCut. Before you export this video, make sure you're done with all of the editing, okay? Because this is like the last process. Putting this audio is the last process. So finish your editing and go ahead and click on export. Okay, exporting means saving the video because you need to convert it to audio. All right, just click on export. Yeah, as you can see, the video is already exporting, so it's done. Now you can close or minimize your CapCut because you'll still be coming back, right? Now go to your home page and click on your App Store or Play Store, depending on the one you are using. So click on the search bar and type video to audio enhancer. Are you seeing that converter rather? Are you seeing that first one? So just click on it. This, I already have it. You can go ahead and download anyone you like. So click on gallery. That's the video we edited. So click on it. Okay. So now it's asking you to convert to MP3. That's how it's done. Click on convert. All right. It's connecting. So you hear the voice. No more excuses, okay? No more excuses, no more complaints because... So that's it, right? So now we're going to save it to files because we're going to be using it. You also understand the process. Just click on save to files. And now you have to rename it, okay? Rename it. Let's just say audio enhancer, okay? Yeah. So it's saved. You can close this application now. Then we're using Chrome or Safari, but I'll be using Safari for this browser. For this process, just click Adobe Podcast. Okay, search for Adobe Podcast like I'm doing right now. So when it loads up, you choose this first one, this Adobe Podcast adobe.com. Click on it. Okay. Yeah, so when it opens up, it will show a new interface. For new users, you have to register. Just go ahead and click on this, go to enhance speech. I'm already registered and I'm logged in, so that's why mine is showing like this. There's V1, V2. V2 is the highest and the ones that sounds best. So that's the one I like to use. Just click on choose file anyway. But if you are new, please register and choose files. That's how it's done. Okay. You know, we save this file as audio enhancer, so that is it there. Click on it, select it, okay, and click on open. So just wait for it to process. The reason why you have to convert it to MP3 is because if you are converting from the video, it will take so long, right? But if it's MP3, it's very fast. It will convert easily. Do you understand? So that's why you have to convert it to MP3 first before bringing it here to compress or to enhance the audio rather. Okay, so it's processing. When it's done processing, you just have to save it up. Okay, say some might take up to 10 minutes. This is just normal prompt that is showing while it's loading. They are working on it. Okay, your audio is ready. As you can see, it's ready. So you just click on this download. Okay, as you can see, I just did it. It's asking if you want to download. Just click yes, download. So it's saving to your phone. If you're using an iPhone, you can actually scroll down to this part I want to show you. But if you're using an Android, you will see it in your files there. Just click on this audio enhancer. Okay, and then no more excuses. Okay, no more excuses, no more complaints, because okay, so that's the enhanced sound. Just click on share. All right, I'm going to teach you 2 procedures to go about it. So go back to your CapCut and select that video that you want to enhance. Okay, go back there. The video just edited, right? So you just heard the sound. This is the original sound. Go ahead and export this new sound into it. Okay, click on share to CapCut. Import audio to CapCut. Okay, so now we have 2 audios for this particular clip. No more excuses, okay? No more excuses, no more complaints, because you heard the former sound, right? So we're going to remove that former sound now. Just go ahead and mute clip. Okay, let's delete it first. Take it back. All right, listen to no more excuses, okay? No more excuses, no more complaints, because okay. So now we're going to take it back. This is the enhanced sound. Take it back, right? Take it back there. And then now we're going to no more excuses, okay? No more excuses, no more complaints, because audio. So this is the new one. This is where I used to mute it. This corner right there. Okay. So you can go ahead and delete it. Let me teach you another pattern again. This one is to save it first to your files like we did the former time. Okay, just click on save to files. As you can see, I'm saving it. Just save it to files, rename it. We can just leave the name like this as well. Okay, just save it to files. Now you go back to CapCut. Getting here. No more excuses, okay? No. That's the former sound, right? You can click on sounds, click on audio, click on sounds, then click on extract. Touch the memory card icon, okay? It will take you back to your device. Just click on this one that you enhanced, okay? And then click on import to CapCut. Look at it there, click on that plus sign. It will now come automatically to this video, okay? No more excuses. To hear the new sound, you mute this video, okay? Right. Then drag in that new sound. Listen to it. No more excuses, okay? No more excuses, no more complaints, because are you seeing the difference now? Now that you know how to create high quality videos to attract a lot of viewers or to sound professional like a pro, please always stop by my channel. I have a lot of videos that can actually help you, okay? Subscribe to this channel to support me. Like this video, comment on this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other people. And lastly, share to your friends and families. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.